Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Curve Finance reduces CRV emissions, boosting DAO sustainability. Next, asset manager Grayscale introduces crypto fund for MakerDAO's MKR. Also, crypto industry committing $12 million to dethrone Senator Brown in Ohio, PAC says. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, Curve Finance reduces CRV emissions, boosting DAO sustainability. Curve Finance's CRV token emissions reduced to 137 million annually, while Curve DAO's earnings surpassed emissions for the first time. Curve Finance, a decentralized exchange, or DEX, an automated market maker, or AMM, platform, has announced the annual reduction of its native CRV token emissions. According to a press release shared with Cointelegraph, the event marks the fifth consecutive year of emissions reductions since the token's launch in 2020. In 2020, the issuance stood at 274 million tokens per year, and now in 2024, this figure has gone down to approximately 137 million. Speaking with Cointelegraph, Michael Egorov, founder of Curve Finance, explained that the inflation reduction mechanism is modeled after Bitcoin inflation. The idea is to get liquidity mining working the same way as Bitcoin mining, but it's difficult to say exactly what the effect will be. CRV total supply reduction. The annual reduction has dropped the total CRV supply to 2.09 billion, with approximately 930 million perpetually locked on the platform as vote escrowed VeCRV. Considering the locked supply, the current circulating supply of CRV tokens is around 1.16 billion and aligns with the end of all vesting periods on Curve's platform. The reduction in emissions and the end of vesting periods happening at the same time means that the overall annual inflation of the CRV token will go down dramatically, from 20% to just around 6%. Egorov noted an interesting observation of the liquidity pools on Curve, highlighting that the biggest liquidity on Curve doesn't seem to rely on CRV incentives. So it seems that reducing emissions towards incentives by 16% should not affect the liquidity. Curve DAO implications. The fifth annual CRV emission reduction and end of vesting periods also co-align with a milestone for the Curve Decentralized Autonomous Organization, or DAO. Curve DAO earnings, which are entirely allocated to VeCRV, have exceeded CRV emissions for the first time, indicating that the ecosystem is walking down a path to sustainability. The increasing number of tokens being locked means that Curve's participants intend to stay with the platform for the long haul, increasingly committed to its development. Curve Finance stablecoin adoption for fees. On June 28th, Curve Finance changed its fee distribution mechanism from the CRV token to the native stablecoin CRV-USD. The adoption of CRV-USD aims to incentivize users while improving the stablecoin's utility and integration into the platform's overall ecosystem. At the time, Egorov told Cointelegraph that the transition meant that users could now obtain fees in a dollar-denominated stablecoin, simplifying the process significantly. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, asset manager Grayscale introduces crypto fund for MakerDAO's MKR. The company unveiled similar single asset trusts for TAO and SUI and a fund that invests in a basket of decentralized artificial intelligence-focused tokens over the past month. Grayscale, the asset manager company behind Bitcoin and Ether, exchange-traded funds, and other crypto investment funds, introduced Tuesday a new fund that invests in the governance token of decentralized lending platform MakerDAO, or MKR. MKR advanced over 5% in an hour following the news, hitting $2,100. The token is up nearly 8% over the past 24 hours, outperforming the mostly flat broad market CoinDesk 20 index. The Grayscale MakerDAO Trust is accessible to eligible individual and institutional accredited investors and has the same structure as the firm's other single asset trusts, according to a press release. This means that it's a closed-end fund where direct withdrawals are not possible, which could lead to price deviations between the fund's share on secondary markets and the underlying asset. Maker is one of the largest protocols in the decentralized finance, or DeFi, led by a community of token holders, or decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO. Those who hold MKR tokens can participate in decision-making and vote on proposals. The protocol manages over $7 billion of crypto and real-world assets, or RWA, including U.S. Treasuries, and issues the third largest stablecoin on the market, the $5 billion DAI. The protocol is currently undergoing a major revamp called Endgame, coined by founder Rune Christensen, which includes the issuance of upgraded versions of MKR and DAI. The offering follows Grayscale's newly launched single asset funds for decentralized artificial intelligence, or AI, project BitSensor's Tau token and Layer 1 blockchain Sui last week. The company also opened a decentralized AI-focused fund that invests in a basket of cryptocurrencies, including Near, Render, and Filecoin, nearly a month ago. Our next top headline: crypto industry committing $12 million to dethrone Senator Brown in Ohio, PAC says. The Fair Shake Super PAC and its affiliates are reserving broadcast time in Ohio, Arizona, and Michigan for their Senate races in the November general election. Crypto interests are planning to go after Senator Sherrod Brown, Democrat, Ohio, in their biggest ever single campaign, setting aside $12 million to support the Republican candidate seeking to snatch the Senate seat from the current chairman of the Senate Banking Committee, who has been highly critical of the digital assets sector and reluctant to embrace crypto legislation. The organizers of the Fair Shake Political Action Committee, or PAC, and its affiliates said Tuesday that they're reserving TV advertising time in Ohio and 2 other key states, Arizona and Michigan. They're targeting $12 million in Ohio airtime to push for Republican candidate Bernie Moreno, a blockchain businessman, and they're devoting about $3 million each to advocate for U.S. Representative Ruben Gallego, Democrat Arizona, in the Arizona Senate race, and Representative Elisa Slotkin, Democrat Michigan, in her Senate race in Michigan. Our mission is clear: support candidates who embrace innovation, want to protect American jobs, and are committed to working across the aisle to get things done and oppose those who do not, Fair Shake spokesman Josh Vlasto said in a statement. The group is aiming for a sustainable bipartisan coalition and a consensus that there is an urgent need to pass responsible crypto and blockchain-focused regulation. This opening round of general election Senate support follows a recent announcement from Fair Shake that it would be backing 18 members of the House of Representatives in the November elections. All were incumbents, so far, and had records of supporting crypto in office. The group's ads during its involvement with dozens of races in the primaries, with few exceptions, haven't mentioned the crypto positions of the candidates being supported or opposed. Fair Shake and its related PACs, the Democrat-oriented Protect Progress and the Republican-focused Defend American Jobs, will also devote resources to digital ads that specifically target crypto users, the group said. The crypto industry's PACs are among the biggest by dollar amount in the 2024 elections, rivaling other major U.S. industries and the party's own inside funding. Fairshake has focused so far on congressional races and steered clear of the presidential contest, and it's carefully divided its support across party lines. The $10 million it spent toward derailing the Senate bid of Representative Katie Porter, Democrat California, marked the most it's previously channeled into a single race. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.